Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're correcting a clear coat run for a smooth professional finish. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of removing a clear coat run and restoring the surface back to a clean, polished appearance. The repair begins by sanding the clear coat run using 320 grit sanding block. This helps level the raised area and starts breaking down the excess clear coat without disturbing the surrounding finish. Once the majority of the run has been reduced, a razor blade is carefully used to lightly scrape away the remaining excess clear coat. This step requires precision and control to avoid damaging the surrounding paint surface. After scraping, the area is sanded again using wet 320 grit sandpaper. Wet sanding helps refine the surface, smooth out imperfections, and prepare the repair for polishing. The area is then wiped clean using a microfiber cloth to remove residue and allow the technician to inspect the surface for consistency. Next, the wet sanding is followed by applying buffing compound to restore clarity and gloss. The technician carefully works the compound across the repaired area, blending it seamlessly into the surrounding finish. Finally, the surface is wiped down using a dry buff pad, revealing a smooth, polished finish with the clear coat run completely removed. The result is a flawless repair and a professional quality finish ready for final inspection. Stay tuned for more RV paint repair and detailing processes. Thank you for watching.